Low gas pressure can cause a furnace blower fan to run erratically or not at all because the system may detect unsafe fuel flow and shut down combustion components. When propane supply is low, the burner will struggle to maintain a stable flame, which can lead to intermittent ignition and short cycling that prevents the blower from reaching normal run speeds. Verify the propane tank is not empty and that the supply valve and regulator are fully open and free of visible damage. Check the gas line for obvious kinks or obstructions and listen for hissing or other irregular sounds that suggest leaks which require immediate attention. If the furnace has a low-pressure gas switch, test it by temporarily bypassing the switch only for diagnostics, and never leave the switch bypassed during normal operation because that defeats an important safety interlock. Measure line pressure with a manometer at the appliance and compare to manufacturer-specified working pressure. If you do not have tools, hire a qualified technician to avoid unsafe attempts. Keep spare fuel arrangements for propane users who rely on a single tank and log delivery dates, so you do not let the tank run critically low. Common issues include a depleted propane tank, which simply needs refilling or replacing to restore proper pressure, a stuck or failed regulator that must be replaced to re-establish correct outlet pressure, and a faulty low-pressure gas safety switch that can prevent the blower from running even when the rest of the system is functional. For the switch, test by briefly bypassing to confirm diagnosis, then replace the switch if it fails or consult a technician. Another frequent problem is air trapped in the line after a tank change, which causes sputtering burners. Purge or cycle the system per manufacturer steps, or call a service pro to safely clear the line. Finally, improper installation or undersized supply piping can cause chronic low pressure. Have piping evaluated and upsized if needed so the appliance receives the correct flow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives a place for practical discussion about issues like fuel supply and blower troubleshooting. We provide a community where homeowners and contractors exchange advice, find work, and post experiences that help make better, safer decisions.